The neck and head comes in 3 pieces. They're dovetailed together, which will give them a good fit. And what we want to do is make sure that there's this little seam as possible in there before we glue. And then we will eventually put the carbon fiber rods in. Fit it in there, make sure it's clean, look for any gaps that might be. I usually like to take this side and put it down and sand it just to make sure it's as smooth as possible. Just a little bit, not too much. Sand, wipe, fit, and repeat. One of the things that I do is take some of this clear packing tape, put it down on my nice smooth surface, and then I would glue right on top of that. That way, if any super glue runs down, I don't end up sticking the pieces down to it. It's easy to come off. All right, I got it super glued. Now, they're both flat. I'm just holding them together for a few minutes. Get that accelerator in there for maximum strength. And take a look at what you got and see if you need to put some gap filler in there, how good it's done, maybe a little bit of wicking. I'm going to end up sanding a lot of that off. Okay, for the head, you gotta make sure that your joint's nice and clean. There's no elephant foot, overhangs. Fit looks pretty good. Okay, now that we're glued together, guess what? We're gonna sand some more. This time I think I'm gonna start with 120, see if I need to go down. And even though this was printed with adjustable layer height, you still see the layers in here, which actually gives it kind of a cool wood grain look. So part of the sanding is just to smooth the bottom of the thread out, so it's easier to play. Just keep doing that till I'm happy with it. One of the things I like to do is make sure that these areas up here, because when you play it, sometimes you gotta get your hand up here, that these are smooth, these corners are smooth, transition smooth, and it's particularly smooth, nice through here. This is looking pretty good. You can see it has that white on it again. Once again, that will just clean up perfectly. And I tend to be less concerned down here at the bottom of the neck, because frankly, I don't play down here at the bottom of the neck yet.